It's actually my first time not only at the A2 Counsellor Workshop, but my first time in Turkey, and what an amazing experience it's been. Everyone here at the workshop's been incredibly friendly, helpful, kind. We've also had amazing accommodation, food has been delicious, and it's just been a great experience all round. The workshops have been really interesting. The agents really care about their students, and I'm really looking forward to getting to know everyone a little bit better and coming back next year to see some hopefully old friends. Over the course of 2 days, we've met over 150 different counsellors from all areas in Turkey, as well as some neighbouring countries. They're very knowledgeable about what they do, and I'm really proud to work with such caring and high quality partners. And we're looking forward to an amazing 2022.